Hello my fellow YouTubers, I'm back again. I've not done a video for a while. What I'm going to do is just a quick Chinese salt and pepper chili wings. I think it's better than Chinese, but I would say that. Right, we'll run through the ingredients. Right, what I've done is I've already pre-cooked these. Just basically chicken wings. It's got the drumsticky bit on there and it's got that end, so you just cut it out the knuckle, yeah, so you end up with these. And what I did is I marinated it in this is Chinese fire spice, some pepper, some garlic salt, garlic granules, chili flakes, saltier and rice wine, Morisonian glutamate, potato starch, and this is for the end bit when we wok. So what I did is I just marinated all these basically, Chinese fire spice, some pepper, some garlic granulates, some of this chili flake, some rice wine, the MSG, and quite a lot of the potato starch. Just put it all in a bowl, mix it together and just let it marinate for about maybe half an hour, and then just deep fry it and you end up with this. Quite nice actually. Right, let's start the wokking. So I can just put this up here. Sorry about the amateur filming, guys. Let's get a close up on that. There we go. Right, first of all we're going to heat up the wok. Some nice vegetable oil in there. Just got to get the oil hot. That's the secret. You don't want them going soggy. You want to still keep the crisp. This saltier and rice wine, it makes it. Oh, I forgot some actually.
Dad, what are you making?
You've got to put some sesame seed oil in there as well. That's quite important. I will list all the quantities down below,
Dad,
so you know. Don't worry about it, it's coming for you. Let's go. I want to try and keep this under 5 minutes so you don't get bored. In this pot here, I don't know if you can see, I've just got some 5 spice in there, quite a lot of garlic salt, and I'm going to use the pepper as well, and a little tiny bit of chilli. I've de-seeded it because the kids are having it. So let's get them in.
Dad, what are you making?
Chinese. You've got to coat them in the oil first of all. And then we're going to add quite a lot of this actually.
What is it then?
It is a salty dish. The pepper and the chilli. And basically, got one.
Oh, and another one.
That's it.
There's another one.
Literally, that is it.
There's another one out.
Don't worry about it.
I'll get it back in. Get it back in.
Right, so we get a plate. That's it. Yourself a plate.
What's that? What's that, Dad? Chicken. Is that chicken? Lovely chicken from the best dad in the world.
And that's basically what it is, guys.
Oh,
If you like it, just like and subscribe, and I'll just bring you more of these cooking tips.
can you also